Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Devika Bhatnagar channel. Today I want to give you 5 golden principles to start teaching field. To enter into teaching field, 5 golden principles. This is useful for all the young teachers, young lecturers. You know that teaching is one of the best profession, respectable and remarkable, and also one of the best profession. So when you enter into the teaching field, what should be your attitude? What you have to do? This guidance nobody will give you. There is no profession, there is no book is available. But I want to guide you few things to all the young faculty. The first thing is that once if you enter into the teaching field, like you'll have a fear. Handle the fear first. When you see the students, you'll have a fear. But why do you have fear? Why to have fear? They are just students. You have better knowledge, you have good knowledge, you have good qualification, you have cleared many exams. Do you accept it? In front of you, students are nothing. I'm telling you, they don't know anything. You have to train them. The moment when you feel that they don't know anything, you will not have any fear. And for teaching also, you need to have some practice. Start in front of mirror, or nowadays technology is there. Record your lectures by yourself and see how you are teaching, how is your body language, how is your communication skills, how you are explaining the concept. Is it understandable to a common student, average student or below average student? Like you can ask yourself some questions and you can practice it at yourself only. So never have a fear, and the moment when you enter into the class also, please cover that fear with a smiling face. With a smiling face you can cover that fear. I'll tell you the best example. In cricket, Vivian Richards from West Indies, many people have an idea. So the moment when Vivian Richards used to enter into the ground, he used to chew bubble gum and also coolly by handling the bat and hat, simply coolly he used to come. By looking at his attitudes, many people used to have a fear. Oh, no fear at all. But if you see him inside, in one of the interviews he said, there will be a lot of butterflies inside of my mind, but outside I always express myself cool. So that is going to create a agitation to the opponent party. So in that way, never express your fear to others. Be cool, pleasant, cool face, and give the confidence to the students that you are going to teach them, you are going to give the best of your knowledge. That kind of confidence, that kind of face expressions, you have to keep it. So never have a fear in front of students. Sometimes you know that faculty or principal, someone will be sitting inside of the classroom, let them sit, doesn't worry, doesn't matter at all. You are prepared very well, you are mastered in that subject. So whatever you know, slowly, coolly express it. Ignore those people who are sitting inside of your classroom also. So never have fear about anyone. This is one of the important concept or character of every teacher. Second thing is that handling the students. The moment when you go to the classroom, it's a college or school or whatever it may be, you will find different kinds of students. Handling these students are very much important. Different kinds of students, in the sense, sometimes you will find genius students, sometimes average and below average, notorious students, hyperactive students, late latif means lazy students. So you have to cover up everyone. But the moment when you start teaching your subject, you have to focus only on the below average student. If that student is able to understand, everyone can understand. From that student point of view, your teaching level should be there. You have to go to their level and teach them and take them, bring them up to your level. That's the success of every teacher. So handling these students, notorious, all these students, it comes with your experience. Slowly you can understand how to handle, how to talk, and how to control them, how to mold these students. All these things slowly you will understand. You can just go ahead as per your experience, but never be hyperactive, or otherwise never take any kind of temptations, angry, and showing your anger on students. This kind of things don't do always. A teacher should have a lot of patience. Patience is one of the best quality of every teacher. Please remember this point. So handling the students is must learn for all the teachers. And third one is that subject preparation. There is no alternative. There is no substitute than the subject knowledge. Unless you have a very good command over subject, you can't attract any student. No student will like a teacher who is not having command over the subject. So that is why you need to have the command over that topic and go with a lot of thorough preparation. And when you prepare the subject, you know that I'll tell you the attitude. When you prepare the subject, study for your sake, understand for yourself. Then after that, once if you get a command, once if you understand, once if you are thorough with the topic, then think about how to explain to the students. So this is very important thing. You can observe some of your previous teachers who taught you at school level, college level, who was your favorite teacher also. You can observe, you can just recollect how they used to teach, how was the body language, their teaching style, communication skills, mannerism, all these things you can just recollect it, but don't copy anyone. You should have your own style. You can observe some of my lectures in Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So in this channel, I've been teaching many subjects related to the commerce and management. So you can observe how I was teaching and how is my style, and all these things also you can observe it. So that is why subject preparation is important. Your thoroughness and how you are going to present it, that is important. And fourth point is that presentation. How do you present yourself? Your presentation is important. Presentation in the sense, only two things comes over here. One is having command over the communication skills. Communication skills in the sense, need not to use any jargon words and confusing the students, not required. Just speak slowly, coolly, comfortably, where an average student can understand your language. In that way, use your language. Coolly speak. Communication skills. Okay. And also, if your communication skills are not good, please improve it, practice it. The more you practice it, you'll get more command over your communication skills. And also body language. The moment when a teacher enters inside of the classroom, the students looks at the appearance and body language of a teacher. If body language is cool, pleasant, and giving a confidence, then automatically the students will get a lot of confidence. 50% of the students will be getting attracted by the body language and communication skill of any teacher. So that is why please be careful about a good communication skills and a pleasant body language. And fifth point I would like to say is attitude and also appearance. You know that some of the teachers' attitude will be very rough and tough, very hard, and ego feelings will be there. Students will never accept that kind of teachers, and they won't understand that lecture also. They won't get good marks. There will be no attachment with that teacher. That is why always keep your ego rough and very hard nature and all these things, keep it aside. Always be cool and give them a confidence that whatever you are going to teach, the students are going to understand. That kind of assurance you give it to them, then automatically students will start loving your lectures. And always pleasing face is important. In that way you keep it. And at the same time, your attitude, along with attitude, appearance. Appearance also matters a lot, especially young teachers. I am telling you, whatever may be your age, just completed post graduation and your age is maybe 22, 23, whatever may be your age, you should look dignified. Decorum you have to maintain. So that professional appearance is important. I have seen in some of the colleges, the faculty, young faculty, lady faculty, they used to come with loose hair and clothes also not professional. So what you are going to teach to the students if your appearance is like that? So should the students focus on you or on your subject? I am asking you a question. So that is why please remember, you have to attract the students only with your knowledge and subject, not with anything. So always maintain the decorum, dignified. So that kind of appearance, that's very much important. Decent clothes, decent colors, so that you have to wear. So these are the simple 5 things I wanted to tell you. Let me give you a recap. First thing is that handle the fear and handling the students, and subject preparation is important, presentation and communication skills, and attitude and appearance. Sometimes you know that the class will look dull, but never keep the class dull. Always the class should be vibrant. Entire class should be vibrant. There are some strategies to keep your class vibrant. I'll tell you some of my strategies. What I used to teach to the MBA students. If the class was 50 minutes, out of 50 minutes, I used to teach only 30 minutes only. But before 30 minutes, I used to announce in the classroom that after 30 minutes of my talk, the rest of the 20 minutes, any of you are going to explain. It's my choice. I may ask anyone to explain the same topic. Then entire class used to be very much alert. Maybe my turn, I have to explain. So in that way, teach the class and keep them a vibrant atmosphere. And when you call the students to explain the topic, so don't be so harsh, be friendly and encourage them. Why are you caring about the other students? They are just your friends only. They don't know in fact anything. You know everything. You come and start it. In that way, you have to encourage the student. So this was one of my strategy. And another strategy I'll tell you. Sometimes after lunch time, the class will be dull. Students, not only students, faculty also sometimes feels drowsy. So at that period, what you have to do is start the class with any interesting question, general knowledge, puzzle, or anything. Start with a vibrant atmosphere. If you are dull, the students will sleep in the classroom by opening the eyes. That is why always start vibrantly and keep on asking small questions, minor questions you can ask the students, so that they'll respond. If they don't respond, make them to alert and ask them, why are you not giving the answers, what's wrong with you, come on, be active. Like you have to use good language and motivate the students. This I used to do. Sometimes you know what I used to do. So sometimes I used to ask a question, what did I say, just repeat it. I don't want any answer. Whatever I said, repeat just now. What was my last sentence? Repeat it. Then students used to feel, oh, we have to be alert. So in that way, be friendly and keep the class vibrant. And also during the class, you can crack some natural jokes also by taking examples and by using a funny language. But it should not deviate the mind of the students. To attract the students, to keep the class vibrant, for that purpose, you can crack some kind of jokes related to the subject, a little bit out of the subject also, doesn't matter, and related to the students also you can take. So in that way you can keep the entire class vibrant. Slowly, if you are a new faculty, it will take some time, hardly 1 year or 2 years. After that you get a lot of command. You will tell me, you are going to say, ma'am, I'm been handling class like this, this is my strategy, this is my style. So students will love you a lot if you have a good strategy of teaching with subject command and good attitude, good appearance. These are the simple things. Hope my dear young faculty members, young teachers, young lecturers, please follow this and never hesitate. You are going to change the generations. You have that capacity. Teaching is the only field which creates the other fields. It is the respectable position. Keep that respect with your knowledge and attitude. Meet you some other time with another interesting topic. Till that period, keep smiling, keep shining. By the way, I forgot to tell you, I have prepared one playlist in the same channel, Teaching Skills. That playlist is given in the comment box, and also check it in the playlist. This playlist would be definitely useful for all the teachers. Whether you have experience or inexperience, doesn't matter. Please refer this playlist and stay blessed always with the students. Take care of your health, take care of your skills. Good luck.